When talking about our phones and computers in English, it's important to have the right phrases at our fingertips. Let's dive into some useful expressions that will help you describe your devices and how you use them. First, let's talk about the basics. When you want to describe your phone, you might say, I have a smartphone. Or if you're talking about your computer, you could say, I use a laptop for my work. It's also helpful to mention the brand. For example, I have an iPhone or I use a Dell laptop. This gives your listener a clearer picture of what you're talking about. Now, let's move on to how we use these devices. You might say, I check my emails on my phone or I browse the internet on my laptop. These phrases are straightforward and get your point across effectively. If you want to describe a specific activity, you could say, I like to watch videos on my phone or I do my online shopping on my computer. When discussing apps and programs, it's great to be specific. For instance, you might say, I use WhatsApp to chat with my friends or I edit my photos using Photoshop. This not only shows your vocabulary, but also gives insight into your daily activities. Let's practice some phrases together. Repeat after me. I use my phone to stay connected. Great. Now try this one. I play games on my computer. Perfect. Engaging with these phrases will help you remember them better. Another useful aspect is talking about your preferences. You could say, I prefer using my tablet for reading, or I enjoy gaming on my PC. This adds a personal touch to your conversation and makes it more interesting. If you're discussing problems or issues, you might say, my phone is running out of battery, or my computer is too slow. These phrases are practical and can lead to helpful conversations about solutions. Let's not forget about multitasking. You can say, I often listen to music while I work on my laptop, or I like to scroll through social media while waiting for my phone to charge. This shows how integrated our devices are in our daily lives. Finally, remember to ask questions to keep the conversation flowing. You might ask, what apps do you use the most? Or, how do you organize your files on your computer? This invites others to share their experiences and keeps the dialogue engaging. By using these phrases and practicing regularly, you'll become more confident in discussing your phone and computer in English. So, keep practicing, and soon you'll be chatting about your devices like a pro.